Thank you BMW and Toyota for bringing back the Supra, because this is the new Supra. Welcome back. What's going on, guys? Well, it's a little before 5 a.m. It's like 4:51 a.m. Tuesday morning. I had Limerock yesterday. I was supposed to upload this video, but my GoPro did not work yesterday for some strange reason at the track. I don't know why. Anyway, and I was fiddling with it all night, so I just had to go to sleep. I was so tired. But I'm here at the gym. I got to train a few clients. I'm going to talk about the GR Supra. Okay, handling. The car handled great. Even though the conditions were damp yesterday, it was raining. There were a few dry spots on the track, and it was drying out a little bit. Whatever dryness I got, the car was great. It was compliant. It was a stout driver yesterday. Basically going into turns, going out of turns, the car was awesome, guys. Seriously, especially with the HKS Hypermax coilovers, sleeve overs, whatever you want to call them. The seats are good for a daily car. They're comfortable, but track driving, and if you're pushing, you're going the limit, you will get tossed around. But I'm used to my Recaros and my E36 and my E92 M3, so I'm spoiled with that. I can honestly say I can compare the car, the Supra, to my E92. It felt just like my E92 M3, with, you know, how the rear end feels, especially in the M cars, the M chassis. The car was killer on the track. I shit you not, guys. I'm not just saying that. I'm not getting paid. There's no endorsements or anything. I'm just giving you an honest review from my perspective, because I love to drive race cars and cars on the track. This car, the GR 2020 Supra, is really, really good on the track. What else can we discuss? Oh, the power. There's plenty of power. We don't need any more, but in the future, I would love to do just a base tune, give me like an extra 30, 40 horses. That's it. Leave it at that. Tune it on regular pump gas. I'm not gonna do no methanol or anything. This is not a quarter mile car. This is a track car. This is a road course car. The only gripe that I had with the car, it's not such of an issue, but for me it is, because I love to drive on the track. The electric steering. The car felt numb to me going into turns. I didn't have the connectivity that I have with my E92 M3 and obviously my E36, but you know, this is just a whole new platform. This is today's technology, the whole electronic steering. So that is my only okay, that sucks, but it's my only complaint. Is it really a complaint? Kind of. I mean, I got used to it after a few laps, but I like to feel what the steering wheel is doing. I like to feel the tires. I like to feel the road, you know, what the connection between the car and the road, the asphalt. I like to feel it in my hands. Other than that, killer car. Supra all the way. This new car is fucking awesome. I apologize again for the lack of GoPro footage in the car. I'm either going to get a new camera or I'm going to try to finagle or fix this piece of shit. But guys, I'm going to try to head out to Palmer this Saturday. It's Tracktoberfest. So Google it, or if you're in the area of Palmer Racetrack, stop by on Saturday. I'll be instructing there with a few of my friends. It's going to be a really good event. A lot of good cars, a lot of fast cars. My buddy Eric Rossini, he's going to be bringing his Nissan GTR, and this thing's got full aero from the front to the back. He gutted the car, so we're going to see what that baby is going to be like. So everybody stay tuned, subscribe, like, and thank you for everything.